Good afternoon from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Friday, September the 27th, 2013. Starting out with our hazardous weather highlights for the next several days. We have an elevated fire danger across northern lower Michigan for Saturday afternoon. And area residents are urged to check for burning restrictions before getting out there this weekend and doing any burning. But starting out with the current weather map for this afternoon, we have a large area of high pressure that has been basically stationary across the eastern part of the U.S. for the last few days and has brought about our recent stretch of dry weather and beautiful conditions across the North Woods. Stepping through the forecast weather maps as we get into the weekend time frame, by Saturday and Saturday afternoon, this area of high pressure will basically be located along the east coast of the U.S. Increasing southerly winds on the backside of this system will bring about another day of warm conditions. We do expect dry conditions once again through the daytime hours on Saturday. But looking upstream, we do have an area of low pressure that will be moving into south central Canada by Saturday afternoon. This system is expected to lift northeastward through Ontario as we get into Saturday night, but we do have a trailing cold front that will be located across the upper Midwest by Saturday afternoon. This front is expected to sweep through the Great Lakes region basically Saturday night. Along this front, we expect a narrow corridor of rainfall to develop and push through northern Michigan, basically during the nighttime hours on Saturday. The front will clear the area by Sunday morning, but however there could be a few rain showers lingering back across the far northeast part of lower Michigan through Sunday morning. But as we go through the daytime hours on Sunday, we do expect clearing skies to take shape. Could be a few clouds lingering across the area on Sunday, but partly to mostly sunny skies will be the rule on Sunday once we get past the early morning rain showers. Cooler temperatures will take shape as well behind this front, but cool compared to where we've been for the last few days, with temperatures mainly in the 60s across the northern part of the state. For Sunday evening, clearing out with mainly clear skies expected Sunday night going into Monday. And on Monday, high pressure will be draped across the area once again, and we expect sunny skies once again to start the next work week. So wrapping it all up, a beautiful stretch of weather continues, except for that narrow corridor of needed rainfall that will move through the area on Saturday night. Before tonight, clear skies, some patchy fog once again, especially across eastern upper and northeast lower Michigan. Overnight low temperatures will range from the 40s to the lower 50s across northern Michigan. And the hazards recap once again for tonight through next week. We have warm temperatures combined with gusty winds on Saturday on the backside of that high pressure system. Will combine with the recent lack of rainfall to produce an elevated fire danger Saturday afternoon. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.